Hi, thanks for tuning into the Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to be changing the air filter in an Audi A3.
And all you need is a screwdriver. This is the box containing the air filter, and it's been held in by 8 screws, Phillips screws, so quite simple. Let's get to it. They're a captive screw, so they're not going to come out of the filter, so they're not going to fall on the ground and you're going to lose them. And you don't have to take anything else apart. And that's it there. Just lift it up. And there we have the filter. So what we do is we just pull this one out. You can see there it's not the cleanest. But in the housing itself it's actually quite clean. But if you do find it dusty, you can just get a dry rag and give it a rub about. And we have the replacement filter here. Now, good idea before you put it in is make sure that it is the correct filter. Because sometimes on different models you get different filters. So that sits nice and snug. Just place this back down in. Now when you're tightening it up, it's a good idea to go from corner to corner. So we'll just go this one here, then we'll work over here. So if it is out of line or if it's not going down right, you'll feel it. And the last one. And that's all there is to it. Well, hope you enjoyed that, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on the usual social media platforms.
And don't forget, if you drive an Audi or an Audi A3, make sure that you subscribe for more videos. Thanks very much for tuning in. Have a great day.